So Z.ai just launched GLM 5.2, and it is a really interesting new open weight model that you can use completely for free. Since it is open weight under the MIT license, you can actually look at the model and see how it performs compared to the big closed source models out there. If you look at the official performance evaluation numbers, it holds up surprisingly well against models like Claude Opus and GPT-5.5. For example, on the SWE-bench Pro coding benchmark, it scores a 62.1, which actually puts it ahead of GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Even on terminal and system-level tasks like Terminal-Bench, it hits an 81.0, which comes incredibly close to Claude Opus.
If you want to try it out right now without paying anything or setting up any complicated code on your machine, the easiest way is to just go directly to the Z.ai website and use their official web application. Another great option is to go over to Hugging Face. On their page, you can read more about the architecture and how the model works, and you can also launch it directly inside HuggingChat to test its coding capabilities right in your browser. It is also worth mentioning that if you ever decide to use it programmatically down the line through developer APIs, the pricing is incredibly low compared to closed-source models, costing only about $1.40 per million input tokens and $4.40 per million output tokens. It is a really capable option if you want frontier performance without a paid subscription.
Now, let's come to the interesting part, which is how you can set up GLM 5.2 or any open source AI model into VS Code by using Hugging Face. First, go to Hugging Face and press the Settings button. Then click on the Access token and press on the Create New Token button. Select the token type as Read and give it a name. For example, I'm giving it the name VS Code. Then press the Create Token button and copy the token.
Now open your VS Code. Go to the AI chat section and press on the Model Picker button. Now press on the gear icon, which is your settings icon, and it will open up your model settings page. Then press on Add Model. It will show you a drop-down of providers, and you just need to select Custom Endpoint. Now give it a name. I'm giving it GLM 5.2 HF, and then press Enter. Now enter the API key which you just copied from Hugging Face, and select Chat Completion.
Now, the chat language models.json file will open up, and here you need to make some quick changes. First, add the ID as xi-org/glm-5.2:novita. Then add the name as glm-5.2 and add the URL as https://router.huggingface.co/v1. Then just save the file and close it. Now, go back inside your AI chat section, open the model picker, and pick GLM-5.2 as your model. Let's just try it out.
So, as you can see, it's working perfectly. And now you can build amazing applications using GLM 5.2. Just keep in mind that since this is the Hugging Face free tier, you might hit rate limits if you use it too much. Also, if you want to know how I got those exact API endpoints, you just need to go to the GLM 5.2 page on Hugging Face. Then press the Use This Model dropdown, click on Inference Provider, and a pop-up will open up. Press the curl tab on that pop-up, and you will see the exact working URL endpoint that you can use for your configurations. And if you want to see more content like this, you can check out my channel.